Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook washed rice. First, it's essential to wash your rice thoroughly. This step removes extra starch, ensuring each grain cooks perfectly. Simply place your desired amount of rice into a bowl, then add cool water and gently swirl it with your hand. You'll want to drain the cloudy water and repeat this process about 3 or 4 times until the water appears mostly clear. This simple action makes a huge difference in the final taste and texture. Achieving the ideal water-to-rice ratio is crucial for fluffy results. For most long-grain white rice, a 1 to 1.5 ratio works beautifully, so for every 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1 1/2 cups of water. After washing, soaking your rice for around 30 minutes before cooking can significantly improve the texture. This step allows the grains to absorb some water beforehand, leading to a more evenly cooked and tender outcome. It's a small step that yields big improvements. Now, let's get cooking on the stovetop. Place your washed and optionally soaked rice into a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot, then add the precisely measured water. Bring this mixture to a strong, rolling boil over medium-high heat without the lid, allowing the steam to escape briefly. As soon as it reaches a full boil, immediately reduce the heat to the absolute lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a well-fitting lid and let it simmer undisturbed for exactly 15 minutes. Patience here is key. Once your 15 minutes of simmering are complete, it's time for the critical resting period. Take the pot off the heat, but resist the urge to peek. Do not lift that lid under any circumstances. Let the rice sit, covered, for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the remaining steam to redistribute moisture evenly, making the grains perfect. Finally, use a fork to gently fluff the rice, separating the grains beautifully before you serve it. You'll notice how individual and tender each piece becomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.